Inside an AI agent. How autonomous AI systems work. At the core of autonomous AI systems lies the ability to operate independently, analyzing data and making decisions without human intervention. Imagine a seamless integration of advanced algorithms operating in tandem with vast amounts of information, enabling these systems to perform tasks that range from simple to exceptionally complex. The journey of understanding how these AI agents function begins with their fundamental architecture, which often incorporates machine learning techniques and neural networks designed to process data efficiently and effectively. These agents utilize models trained on extensive datasets, learning to recognize patterns and make predictions. Picture an AI navigating through an ever-changing environment, like a self-driving car where continuous data from sensors and cameras informs its decisions in real time. The components involved are remarkable. Deep learning algorithms dissect inputs, while reinforcement learning techniques guide the agent in understanding the consequences of its actions, rewarding it for achieving desired outcomes. Each interaction adds a layer of experience and knowledge to the system, reinforcing its ability to adapt to new scenarios. While the standard operations of these AI systems are fascinating, the real magic occurs when they encounter challenges outside their training. Here, the concept of adaptability shines. Visualize an autonomous drone assessing unforeseen obstacles in a bustling urban landscape. The AI agent swiftly recalibrates its strategies, utilizing previous experiences and heuristic methods to navigate through dynamic environments. This demonstrates a sophisticated blend of reasoning, improvisation, and problem-solving that characterizes advanced AI systems. However, the rise of autonomous AI systems also raises important considerations regarding ethics and accountability. As these agents begin to play more significant roles in decision-making processes, the implications of their choices must be scrutinized. Envision a financial AI tasked with executing trades. The potential for both profit and ethical dilemmas necessitates responsible AI development. Ensuring transparency and fairness in AI algorithms promotes trust and fosters their acceptance. In conclusion, the inner workings of autonomous AI systems reveal a landscape of incredible potential, enabled by cutting-edge technology and data-driven insights. As they continue to evolve, balancing innovation with ethical concerns will be pivotal. These AI agents are more than just tools. They hold the promise to reshape industries and enhance our everyday lives, creating opportunities for a future characterized by unprecedented capabilities.